Welcome to Condense. In this video, we'll guide you through managing users and their roles in your workspace. First, navigate to the Settings menu and select the Users and Roles section. Here, you'll see a clear overview of all the users currently in your workspace, along with their assigned roles. To add a new user, click on the Invite User button. Enter the user's email address and select their role, either admin or user. Remember, admins have full access, while users have limited permissions. Please note, if the user you're inviting already has an existing Condense account, you'll see a notification, and you won't be able to send another invite. If you've sent an invitation but wish to cancel it, simply click the X icon next to the pending invitation. You can easily search through the existing users using the handy search bar at the top. Just type a user's name or email to quickly find them. And that's how simple it is to manage users and roles in Condense.